Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Anthony. Welcome to the video. Today, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing and why you're probably making no sales. So first off, guys, I want to start off this video by saying this, okay? If affiliate marketing on Instagram was super easy, set it and forget it, everybody would be doing it. If it was that easy and that simple, you'd be making money with it right now. Okay, it takes a little bit more work than what you probably think, okay? Affiliate marketing on Instagram is definitely not the easiest way to make money on Instagram, but it is one of the less hard ways, so to speak. So here's one way how I can tell without a shadow of a doubt whether or not you are making money or not making money doing affiliate marketing on Instagram, okay? If you're just finding a product, whatever you want to sell, whatever you're affiliated with, and you're just simply taking your referral code and putting it in the link on your Instagram, you're not making any sales, okay? And if you do, like, you're just getting lucky. You're definitely not making sales daily. You're definitely not doing it consistently either. Okay, simply taking a link of a company that you're with and putting it into your bio is not going to make you sales. That's what everybody does. Everybody just takes this link. They take their ClickFunnels link. They take their OSP link. They take their course affiliate link, and they just go ahead and they plug it into their link on their Instagram, and they just expect sales to roll in, okay? You have to drive traffic to that link. The only traffic that is going to that link is new people who are following you, who are coming to your profile. That's where those clicks are coming from, okay? So if you're solely relying on making sales from just putting that link in your Instagram caption, and then all you do is you just wait and you just gain new followers and have them go through it, and then you just expect them to buy on the first way through, it's never going to happen. It's unpractical. And if you're also doing that, then I know for sure that you have no idea about driving traffic on Instagram, okay? You probably have no clue about how driving traffic actually works, because just getting new followers and then having them click the link in your bio is not driving traffic. So hopefully now that I've pulled your head out of your ass, I can give you some actual tips on actually being able to make some sales with your affiliate and actually get some leads to your opt-in page. So with that said, here's how everything kind of works. So when you're going ahead and you're doing affiliate marketing on Instagram, yes, you need to put whatever you're selling in the link description, okay? That's where traffic is going to be driven to, through that link. It's the only place where we can plug in an third-party source into Instagram. That's the only place to do it. So we have to drive traffic there. Unless if you're above 10K and you have the story feature where you can swipe up, then you could use that too. But this is just, let's do people who are under 10K, and even if you're over 10K, you could still go ahead and use this method. It's the old school method, right? So putting that link into the description, okay? Like I said before, if you're just gaining new followers and those new followers just click that link and then go and they go to your opt-in page or whatever, that is not driving traffic, okay? That is getting new followers who are just going through. It's not driving traffic from your original audience, okay? That's what I'm really trying to say, driving traffic from your existing fan base, okay? Because if you're getting 100 followers a day, but you're at 90,000 followers, then that's not as effective driving traffic that way, whereas if you just leveraged your already 90,000 follower platform. Okay, one of the truths about Instagram is that once somebody follows you, the likelihood of them coming back to your profile, even if they follow you just to look at your profile, like, not many people do that. So you need to give them reasons to, right? By leveraging your stories, by leveraging posts to get them to your profile, to get them to your link. Otherwise, they just scroll through your timeline, check out your posts, like the post, but they never really go to your profile. They never really check out that link, and the only link clicks you're actually getting are from new followers. Therefore, you are not driving any traffic. So the first tip in going ahead and actually making more sales with your affiliate is driving more traffic, okay? So how do we do this? How do we drive traffic from your existing Instagram page? Because I know a lot of people who have 100K pages, even 500K pages, 1 mil pages, they can't make a single cent. They can barely make a sale through affiliate marketing. They're not driving traffic from their page. You've already created a page. Even if, say, you have 5,000 followers, you have already created 5,000 followers on a page for you to market to, yet you're not driving traffic with them. Okay, so how do we drive traffic with them? Story posts. Story is one of the best ways to do this, okay? So make a story post, make a nice story post. Don't just put your thumb over the camera, take the picture, even though I do that sometimes, but don't do that, okay? Don't do what I do. Don't put your thumb over it and just write some text. Like, take the time, make up something in Canva, something nice, something with a nice edging, you know, something that's going to catch people's attention, and write down your offer. Why are people going to go and click your affiliate link? What's your company offering, okay? What is the discount? What's the rate that they get through you? Is this something that your target audience actually wants? Get them to click it. Leverage the story posts to get them to click it. Go live on your Instagram. Do story videos on your Instagram. Do swipe up if you're over 10K. You could say swipe up or click the link in bio. You can do all that stuff, but using that story post, you're going to leverage your already existing platform and drive traffic to your link. Okay, get creative. Use CTAs, use offers, do giveaways, stuff like that. Drive the traffic to it. You're going to get a lot more link clicks. You're going to get a lot more opt-ins. You're going to build up that email list. Going into tip number 2, the email list. 90% of you guys are probably doing affiliate marketing on Instagram and you're not even collecting the emails that you get. Nobody buys on the first try, okay? Nobody goes to your link, reads up and like, you know what, wow, this is a really good product, like I'm gonna buy it. Like the chances of somebody doing that is very slim. There's very few people who do that, okay? Not many people are like that. A lot of people are consumers, you know, they don't wanna like spend money to better themselves. They wanna spend money on stupid shit like the Kardashians and stuff and buying shit they don't need. Most people do not wanna better themselves. And I guess this is if you're selling something that's going to better themselves. I know a lot of you guys are probably selling ClickFunnels or OSP. Okay, understand that people naturally don't want to put in effort. They want to progress. People want to get better, but naturally people are just fucking lazy and they don't want to better themselves. So that's why with stuff like this, like it's follow-up, right? It's not like people are going to shopping malls and they just buy clothes and shirts and jeans. It takes follow-up. You need to be taking these emails, okay? You need to be doing email campaigns, doing email blasts. Maybe hire a copywriter or email marketer to put together a 7-day email follow-up, a 10-day email follow-up. You need to be following up. You'll be amazed how many more sales you get by actually saving and taking those emails that opt into your page and then doing an email follow-up, okay? If you are not doing an email follow-up, you're probably not making shit, okay? If you're not driving traffic through your Instagram page, you're probably not making shit. So those are 2 things, all right? Two things that you guys need to change, okay? You need to start driving traffic, use your story posts, use timeline posts, and go ahead and drive the traffic, okay? But make sure you're not driving traffic constantly and that's all you do, okay? If you're gonna, I judge it this way, for every call to action you put out to drive traffic anywhere or to promote an offer anywhere, do about 3 posts in between that, okay? So if you're gonna do a timeline post, do not do offer after offer after offer, okay? If you want to do an offer daily, then you better be posting at least 3 times a day. That's 3 quality posts a day, 1 offer a day, okay? Do not just do offer after offer or an offer every post, okay? A minimum of 3 posts between every timeline offer. If you're doing a stories, I think you can get away with it a little bit more. It really comes down to personal preference, but I know for me, I'm not going to promote an offer twice. Sorry, worded that wrong. I'm not going to promote an offer unless I have 2 story posts beforehand, okay? So let's say I'm in travel, and I'm going to post like 2 beach pictures, and then I'm going to promote a CTA and promote my link or something like that. 2 posts for stories is what I go by, and at least 3 posts for timelines is what I go by, okay? And driving that traffic, and then you're going to get those opt-ins. You're going to do the email follow-up because most people are not going to buy in the first time, okay? 90% of people are probably not going to buy in the first time. They're all going to buy it with that automated email follow-up. So invest in your email follow-up. If you're already good at copy, or watch some YouTube videos about email follow-up, learn how to do email. I use MailChimp. I used to use Aweber, but MailChimp, you can there's no double opt-in. So that's what I personally use. That's what I recommend. I don't have an affiliate link for it, so I'm not going to link that, but you guys can just go ahead and Google MailChimp. It's super simple. I'm sure a lot of you guys know about it. But using that, driving that traffic, and doing an email follow-up, that is how affiliate marketing is done on Instagram. If you're just sitting there, literally, if you're just putting a link in your bio, you're just sitting and praying, okay? You're just hoping and praying, spraying and praying, whatever you want to call it. You're just sitting there like a duck. You're just waiting for your sale to come in. Your sale's never going to come in, okay? You're going to get a sale one day and be like, oh, hell yeah. And then you're going to wait another 3 months for your next sale, okay? So make sure you're driving traffic from your existing audience. You guys have worked hard to build that audience. Drive traffic from it. Utilize it. Get those emails, okay? Store those emails. If they don't buy that product, maybe one day you want to promote something else. You have an email list. That email list is money. It's currency. It's people to sell to. So just to recap all that, guys, I know it's super simple. Whatever your product is, find a good product, find a good company, find something that an offer is actually good that people are going to want to buy that's already doing sales. Drive traffic from your Instagram page and collect those emails and do an email follow-up. If you do that, the chances of you making sales is a lot more likely, okay? If you're not doing an email follow-up and you're not driving traffic, you're just relying on new people, and those people are new, they don't know you, they don't know your page, they're not even familiar with you, and they're probably not gonna follow you either. They're gonna go to it, see, oh, this guy's just selling shit, and then they're gonna back off. The best people to sell to are the people who are already following you, who like your posts, who kind of know you. Those are the best people to sell to. So if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments, and if you have any questions, also leave those in the comments. And if you guys want to learn more about Instagram and actually really take it as a business, scale it, make sales, grow pages to 100K plus, get those millions of impressions, learn the advanced Instagram strategies that nobody really talks about, then I do have an advanced Instagram training in a course. I'll link that in the description below. I'll also link my latest video in the description below. So again, guys, like this video, comment this video, and subscribe to the channel before your competition subscribes to the channel. All right, guys, I'll see you all on the next video.